So anyway, we just got here. We travel early in the morning so we can get here during open time. What time is it, Jed?
It is currently 8:26. The World Zoo here, or World Aquarium. The Dallas World Aquarium opens at 8:30 in the morning. We got here a little earlier than normal because of our driving, which is zoom, late in the or early in the morning.
There was nobody. What, do you blame me?
Just no traffic at all, but there's a lot of construction on the road. But we are waiting for them to open up, and when they do open up, we're gonna head inside. But we're hoping to see a bunch of cool animals.
Side note, Texans have really good driver. They drive fast.
Very fast.
They know what they're doing on the road.
So we're gonna go in. We're gonna go check out all the cool animals inside. After that, we're gonna probably go to the. We're probably gonna go to the Galleria. And is there anything in particular you want to go there?
Why don't we check out a yummy local taste later for lunch?
Yeah, we can do that. Definitely after the aquarium, we'll check out some cool eats around here, and then we'll go to the Galleria. I know in the Galleria there's one store I really want to go to. It's a chocolate store.
Godiva.
Godiva. We're gonna go to Godiva, get some chocolaties.
Should we go to a really Vietnamese place, or we really go to a really Chinese place?
I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, they won't be able to tell us anyway, huh?
Comment below. Comment below.
And then we're probably gonna go. After that, we'll probably be done for the day, huh?
Oh, we should check out a really cool Vietnamese market here. They have unique item, and then follow us. We show you.
Alrighty.
Pumpkin is $10. It's a very reasonable price for downtown Dallas. I hope. I don't know. I can't tell. I'm a tourist. Let's go. So we're walking to the front, so you can go inside, and it's really warm. And you should wear a jacket. This is like say what? The weather said what?
It's like 50 degrees outside right now.
Is that really?
Something like that, yeah.
I feel so much colder. Look who wearing no hair short today.
I guess I can't show. Shorts.
Who wears short shorts?
I wear shorts.
Okay, it's 47 degrees and it's so freaking cold. Oh, Baba! How y'all doing? Oh, it is. Look how cool it is. Look here. Okay, so we are the first one here. So I'm really excited. I've never been early enough to do anything first thing, so here we are. Check this shot out. Whoa! It's me, shark bait, hoo ha ha. Whoa, is that what are those? Is that a bear? Look at him, look at him. Look at him over here. He's so cute, he's so cute. Oh my god, look at him.
Oh, look at that bear. Look at you. Aren't you so cute? You look like a really sexy chihuahua. And a chihuahua.
Let's see what else I got here. Not asleep either. I don't think anybody else enjoys sardine for breakfast.
Stay out of my pizza. Goodness, do you know anything can be that cute?
They are so cute. They're bundled up together and everything.
They are so cute. Can you imagine anything cuter than that? You can? It's right here. You don't have to imagine. It's right here. Dallas Zoo. Dallas World Zoo.
Aquarium.
Yeah, that place.
Say it. You have to say it.
Dallas World Aquarium.
Let's go up.
She said to follow the path.
I don't know. I think up. Let's go up.
That good buddy is lost.
He's lost?
He's penguin, people need him. I want that stingray. That's my stingray. Those are restaurants. We'll check them out. Check it out. I don't think this cute guy is on the menu. I think that you can look at him while you eat food here. I think it's a good plan. This plant called sea grapes, and every time we pass by it, I intend to eat one, and never fail, Jay slap it out of my hand like a domination idiot. I'm mere monkey. I should eat my fruit right here. I'm mere monkey.
Oh, look at that red bird.
He's so cute. It's the smartest, cutest thing. Wow. Oh, that's nice.
How many aquariums have you gone to that start off in the rainforest?
2. I'm telling you, Texas people are doing it really right. They actually have really good one in Galveston. We went to that one. This lovely. If you want to see, leave the comment. I check down back there. Moody Garden is fire. Exit ready. Wow, they hang a mirror in there for the good buddy. It's raining. It's raining. And be careful. No touching. Okay. It's bird proof. It's bird proof. Bird proof. Bird proof.
It looks like the birds are all just flying around willy-nilly.
It's like almost like this is their home, and we are the visitor. You know. You know.
What is it?
Papaya. How about this fish? And this fish?
Is that big?
Yeah. It's so cute. Go to Brazil, you can stay here. You can visit Dallas World Aquarium and feel like you're almost in Brazil. Is anybody else love going to a marsupial exhibit and stare at frogs for hours?
Hours?
Or to ADHD things. We love to stare at things like this. It looks so cool. He looks like a marine biology things on the rock. He moves so seamlessly. Check it out. I'm a part of the leaf. I can see you, you can see me.
Ow. Ow. Look at this one. You can see his face.
Ooh. He is not impressed.
He's not impressed?
No. So that his body up here. He also not impressed.
What are they eating?
Eating banana.
They're eating banana?
They're eating banana.
I don't know about that.
Oh, they're having Greek salad.
Greek salad?
Yeah, look like it to me. You see that olive right there? Are you?
Is that an olive or is that blueberry?
That blueberry.
So fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Okay. Over here.
What's that?
Cheese.
It's a Ethiopian.